Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
In today's video, we wanted to show you these beautiful, shimmery, beautiful colors from CATRICE. So this is something kind of newish, new to me. We just picked it up at Druni the other day. And yes, so we're gonna do just 6 nails. So we're gonna do 1 coat on one nail and 2 coats on the second nail, if you know what I mean, just so you can see how they look when they're built up a little bit. And we used, as you can see, the base coat and top coat 2-in-1 power gel on the nails, because I usually like to go with the full system. And the application is really nice of the base coat. I'm not sure, it dries quick, and applies really nice. So it goes on very smooth and kind of creamy. It's not very watery.
Right.
Okay, so these ones are called, I should have said that in the beginning, CATRICE More Than Nude. So we already did More Than Nude collection when we were in Poland, most of them, but this one is the Translucent effect. So this one is called A Nice Day.
A nice day.
A nice day. Okay, and this is this beautiful white with multicolored shimmer.
Actually be nice day.
Nice day. And what did I say?
Nice day.
A nice day. Or a nice day.
Or nice day. Okay.
And this one's the other way around.
Oh goodness.
Glitter is the answer. So this one is like a beigey with kind of silver. It's not multicolored. And then the last one is called Dancing Queen, and it's a gold shimmer in like a lip gloss almost base. Yeah. Right? It looks like a lip gloss.
Yeah.
Looks like similar to my lip gloss. Do you want to see my lip gloss?
What?
I'll show you my lip gloss.
Oh goodness.
This is my favorite lip gloss. You see what I mean? It has those gold. Well, it's kind of similar. The idea is very similar. Gold with, very nice. Okay, anyway, off topic. So let's do the first one, Nice Day. So I have to say the bottles of these polishes, they just feel really nice. They're well done. The brushes are amazing.
Everything feels
good
quality.
So from what I'm reading, they said apply the base coat, and then a coat, and then the top coat. So I don't know what they mean. Is it supposed to be just like a 1 coat thing or what?
We'll find out.
We'll find out. I mean, I guess it depends, right? You can put this over other colors. Right?
In all reality, you could probably put 6 coats if you really wanted to.
Are we going to?
No.
No. All right. So, gorgeous application, really nice. We'll see how quickly they dry. I'm gonna use one of those colors maybe in my upcoming manicure. Let me know if you guys want to see one of them applied, and we can wear test it for you. Glitter is the answer. Is it, like you said? What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
Leave a comment down in the comment section.
The camera is moving.
Down there.
Okay, so this is a little less beige than I thought. It looks more silvery, which is very nice. Yeah, so it doesn't look too yellow on the nails, and it's more silver than I initially thought. Beautiful application. And Dancing Queen. That's from ABBA.
Yes.
That was a good song.
And
good times. Good times.
I was just thinking that song when you first said it.
This one has a little bit less shimmer. Feels a little bit less condensed. Oh, very nice. Very nice. I actually don't know which one is my favorite. Let's do the second coat on some of them.
What do you guys think? Do you have a favorite at this point? Let us know.
All right, so let's see how they're drying. Oh, they're pretty dry.
Mm-hmm.
So 2 coats on this one, and we'll take some pictures at the end of the video as usual, as we started.
Mm-hmm.
I like taking these pictures for you guys, and it seems that you like them.
Mm-hmm.
Now I regret not having 3 nails because I feel like doing
3 coats.
3 coats. This
Oh,
is
goodness.
beautiful. No, okay, this is really nice for like wedding nails,
Oh, goodness.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, guys,
Wow,
don't forget
super
to
elegant.
like, subscribe, hit that bell notification button. Go check out our Patreon and some of the links we have down below.
Oh, you touched this one.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You're fired. Oh no, God, what am I saying?
Did my wishes come true? Did you just fire me? I'm free.
Wow. I love it. So nice. Huh.
So far, actually,
Yeah.
the nice day. Mm-hmm. Or a nice day.
Yeah, so you don't see a big difference like this. And you really kind of don't see a big difference like this. But no, you do, especially with this one.
Well, you know what? You take a look here. Right there. Bang.
Yeah, you do see a difference.
You know, from here, not so much. You know, here, not so much. Right there.
Yeah.
Very, very nice.
It doesn't have a full coverage, obviously, but...
No. But sometimes maybe that's not what you want.
No,
Maybe you want
exactly.
something that's a little more
That's the thing,
subtle
exactly.
looking, right?
Yeah, so sometimes what people are disappointed about is that the sheer colors are sheer, but they are sheer on purpose,
Yeah.
right? So...
Because not everybody's looking for something so heavily pigmented.
Very soft sometimes, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Soft look.
And that's okay.
Beautiful.
I wouldn't say there's a massive,
No,
massive
it's
difference
not.
between 1 and 2. Like
Yeah.
one coat or 2 coats, but they're very nice. You can see obviously there is more, but it's not like this drastic difference.
You know what? It looks smoother because
Yeah.
2 coats add layers to the nail
Layers.
of polish, so it's
Like an
just
onion.
yeah. So it just looks.
Layers.
The biggest difference is in this one. Okay, we're gonna give them a few minutes to dry.
And then we'll hit that top coat.
Yeah, exactly. Top coat time. Power gel. And base coat.
And base coat.
This was our base coat as well.
What are your thoughts on top coat and base coat kind of all in one?
So apparently it's not the best idea because base coats serve a very very different purpose than top coats.
Of course.
But sometimes it's, if someone is not like crazy into nails and they don't want to buy 3 different products to do one manicure, then it makes sense.
It's like doing shampoo and conditioner.
Okay, we had a bit of an interruption. So we're back.
But to you, we never left.
At least these ones are really dry now. Okay, the package with the RPI polishes that was supposed to be delivered here got delivered to the house.
And now we have to go to the next town over to go
Pick it up because, I need it today. Okay, as a top coat, this is applying really nicely. Nicely. So fuzzy.
It isn't one of our videos without a fluffy.
So these are like lip glosses, but for the
For your
nails.
nails.
Nail gloss, right?
Oh
Should
my.
come up with a product called nail gloss. Alrighty, so these are the
Final
nail
results.
glosses.
Yeah.
These ones look really...
They're fine. You did it.
You did it.
It's your fault. So yeah, there you go. Guys.
Don't look at the smudge.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's your fault.
Stop moving. Anyway, this is, you know, this is what happens sometimes. It's kind of leveling off though. Hold on. Can we save it? Yeah, it's like nothing ever happened. Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, anyway.
Oh my.
So let's finish this video so nothing else happens. Let us know what you think, guys, about the colors, the nail glosses. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Ciao.